What's up, everybody? My name is Chad. This is the Wisco Boater channel, and tonight I'm going to do a fairly short video, I think, but I'm going to put the silicone around the bases and the connections for the trampoline. So I'm going to mask those off and then put some silicone in place around all four. I may, if I have enough time, I think I probably do. I probably will do the third coat of paint tonight. I'm not going to record that, but I may do it. So you may notice if you watch before from any videos in my shop, that's a little bit different color lighting in here, a little bit brighter. I got these awesome LED tri-lights, and everything is way, way brighter. 6,500 lumens out of those things. And they're aimable. The panels move up and down. So I've got light in that corner now I'm still running the halogen, but this light projects light into that corner, and then of course over here I have the workbench with the old fluorescent shop light, which I hate fluorescent light, but it is what it is. So yeah, I'm gonna mask off around the bases here, and then also around the, actually I don't think I'm gonna have to do any masking where the trampoline connects or sits over the post, but I do want to mask off here because I don't want to get any silicone on the paint. And that's the plan for tonight. Stay tuned to the end of the video for some exciting news about a trailer. Everything is masked off. I'm just going to lay a bead of silicone around the base here and then right there on all four posts. I'm just going to show you one. It's using DAP clear all-purpose acrylic latex caulk plus silicone, and it's rated for 40 years. I don't know if there's supposed to be some like special, that doesn't look clear, maybe it dries clear, special marine silicone or whatever, but don't really care. All that matters here is that we're sealing out water. And I know you can't see the other side here, obviously, but you get the idea. You've probably done this before. It is interesting that it's coming out white and it's supposed to be, well, the label says clear, but like I said, maybe it dries clear. So underneath where I'm doing right now, I'm not going to really worry about how pretty it is, but the lower part here, I will smooth it out with my finger. Just like that. Yeah, maybe I will do a little smoothing, just because quite a bit of excess up under here. It's not necessary. Perfect. Looks good all the way around. That's all you need. So I'll go around and do all four, and I'll come back and show you this one after it's dried, which hopefully will be clear. This is gonna take a little bit to dry, I think. It's still white, and all four corners look good as far as the spread goes. But I think I'm gonna wait until tomorrow to do anything else. I've already discovered that some of the paint around the bases here is chipping off. Because I had to retape this, I taped it too close to the post. So I pulled the tape off. I had some yellow paint come off, which sucks. But, I mean, it happens. So, got some excess in the, I pushed down the tape accidentally. But anyway, you can see there, paint pulled away with the painter's tape, which is odd, but it actually pulled away a layer of the gel coat with it, which is very strange. But either way, I'm not gonna do anything else this evening. I'll run the heater in here for just a little bit longer, make sure the temperature's warm enough for this to cure, get the silicone cured, and then come back and do that third coat of yellow paint. So, but everything looks good at this point. I do want to point out I did find a gas tank. I don't know if that's the gas tank that I'm going to use. That's a Yamaha gas tank. It's actually in really, really good condition. I found that on Craigslist for 20 bucks. I'm pretty sure I can change out the connection for pretty much any motor. It'll still say Yamaha on it if I don't end up with a Yamaha. But really all I bought this for was to fit it to where I think I'm gonna mount the gas tank, which I think is gonna be right in here. I'm gonna have some sort of aluminum plate or pan that will come off, that'll basically mount to this, come forward, and then I'll strap it with some aluminum channel to the top of the frame, so it'll be supported on the front. You know, I won't transport it with the gas tank in place, obviously, because I'll just strap the gas tank to the plate or the pan or whatever's there. But I think it'll be strong enough to do it that way. And I'll just run a gas line down the middle to the back where the engine will be. So that's the plan. That'll be a separate video, but I did find this tank on Craigslist, so it's here and ready to go. And let me just, yeah, I got some silicone to squeeze out on the tape here in some places. But I think everything's looking really good. So we'll come back tomorrow, check this out. I'll take the tape off and then do that second round, or geez, I keep saying second. Do that third round of yellow paint and wrap that up, be done with it, and then start working on the gas tank. So thanks for watching this episode of the Wisco Motor Channel. Hope you enjoyed it. I did mention the trailer. I think a video or two ago I mentioned that I had a line on a trailer. Well, that line's gone, but then I found another trailer that I'm going to pick up tomorrow. It does happen to have a boat sitting on it. So tune in next week for that. I will shoot some footage of picking up that trailer just in about an hour south of here. So I'll go pick it up. It's a 89 Bayliner Capri that is sitting on the trailer, which I have no use for. So I'll be parting out that boat, but the trailer itself is a galvanized trailer. It's gonna be perfect for this. So yeah, that'll be fun. I love parting stuff out. Until next time, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, send me some comments if you'd like to, if you want to be notified when I post new videos just like this one. Hit that notification bell, and we'll see you next time on the Wisco Motor Channel. Happy boating, everybody.